for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing my BoxyCharms from September, and yes, I know it's October already. These boxes must have gotten delayed in the mail because I just got them, and we're gonna get these filmed and up for you guys so you guys can see what I got for the month of September. So here we are. This is the BoxyCharm Premium. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the Glam Vibes Only theme. We have Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, Olay Phat Glow Facial, Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner, the Kitsch Ice Roller, Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer, and Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Let's get started. Let's start with the coffee first because I love coffee in my drinks, and I'm sure I'm gonna love it as a body scrub too. So Glowing Vacation Skin is inside this bag. Coconut Coffee Scrub Exfoliator for smooth glowing skin, Robusta Coffee, Coconut Oil, and Grapeseed Oil. I need to smell this because I just feel like this is gonna be amazing. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, I can smell the coconut already, and I didn't even open the whole thing yet. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Ooh. You can smell the coconut because you can see the coconut oil in it. Okay. This smells so good. Like, it's unreal. So this is the coconut coffee scrub. You can see it looks like pure coffee. It's just going to be rubbed on your body, and it smells amazing. Like, I am sold just on the fact of how amazing this smells. Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Absolutely, yes. I'm gonna be trying this. Expect to see more of this on my blog. Absolutely. One of my favorite brands is Saturday Skin. I use their Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel quite often, and I feel that it's a really good product for my skin, so I'm excited to try this out from their line. So let's take a look. This is the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. It's heavy, so it's definitely a really good size bottle. Oh yeah, it's a glass bottle, and it is full to the rim. So 10% glycolic acid and pore control complex, pore clarifying toner. Apply gently to cleansed face with a cotton pad. May be used 3 to 5 times a week. It does warn to use only as directed, so make sure if you get this, you read it, and it does warn that you should use sunscreen when you use it. So always be aware when you're trying products out. Read everything on the bottle to make sure that you're not going to damage your skin, because as you can see, this specifically says that you should put sunscreen on after. Super duper excited to try this. I have really big pores on my face. It tends to be oily after a long day, but in general, I have been looking for something to be a really good pore cleaner and also just to help to control. So when I put my makeup on, it helps to last all day. So we're gonna try this out. I'm super excited. Stay tuned because there will definitely be a review of this one. This is something I'm really excited about. This is the Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller for your overworked and sensitive skin. So my understanding is we're gonna put this in the freezer. Yeah, so sterilize the roller head with alcohol after each use and store the ice roller store the ice roller in the box inside your freezer. So it says, after you use it, apply your favorite moisturizer and enjoy your rejuvenated, calm skin. I'm really excited for this one. It says ice facial roller benefits, help to depuff and brighten the under eye area, calms inflammation, and a lot more. So let's open this. So here we have it. So this is the roller, and it looks like it has a nice curved handle, so that way it's easy to hold as you go through it, and then it's just gonna roll. So I'm really excited to use this. I have been looking for something like this, and I just never bought it. So I'm really glad that this is in my BoxyCharm. Also, I'm a huge fan of this brand. I love them. This BoxyCharm, I have to say, this is a really good one. I'm really excited. So Olay Henriksen, this is the Transform Plus Phat Glow Facial. Let's open this one up. I'm a huge fan of this brand. I've been using it for a while, so I'm really glad that I have some more products now. So it is PHA's and Nordic Birch Sap. Facial mask, apply an even layer to clean, dry face, massage until it transforms from pink to white, leave on for 15 minutes. So this is the container. It looks like you're just gonna pump it out. I'm excited to try this one, so stay tuned when I use it. We have the Marc Jacobs. This is the Enamored High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer. This is the shade 362 Cha-Cha Changes. So let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like iridescent. Okay, let's shake it up a little bit. This looks like a really pretty color. So you can see it has kind of like an iridescent glow to it. That's really pretty. Let's swatch it on the back of my hand. Ooh, I love this. Oh my gosh. So that's really pretty. You can see how it picks up the shine. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this on later. And last but not least, this is a beautiful package. This is just so pretty. So it's The Queen, A Queen Lies in All of Us by Eloise Beauty. Let's take a look. I'm just like loving this package. This is so pretty. These colors are beautiful. Oh my goodness, I have to use this one. They're so pretty. I love how pigmented they are. The colors are bright and beautiful and vibrant. Oh my gosh, we have to use this one. This is so pretty. I love this. That was everything that I received in my BoxyPremium for the month of September. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more reviews.